In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Monday.com. Let's embark on a digital journey to seamlessly integrate two powerful tools, Jotform and Monday.com. For those of you looking to automate your workflows and enhance productivity, this guide will serve as your compass. First things first, let's navigate to Zapier, a tool that connects your apps and automates workflows. Once you're there, the login button is waiting for your click. If you're someone who appreciates convenience, the Continue with Google option is there to make your life easier. Choose the Google account you'd like to use for this integration and feel the smoothness of single sign-on. Next up, you'll be prompted to click Continue. This is your green light to proceed with connecting your tools to Zapier. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to unleash the potential of Zaps, the building blocks of automation in Zapier. Click on Zaps to get started. Within the Zapier dashboard, initiate the creation of a new Zap by clicking on Trigger. This is where Jotform enters the scene. Type in Jotform in the search bar and click on it when it appears. This sets Jotform as the trigger for your automated workflow. Now let's shift gears and set up the action for your Zap. Again, search for an application, but this time enter quote Monday.com. Click on Monday.com from the search results, preparing it to respond to Jotform's trigger. Once both Jotform and Monday.com are in place, it's all about choosing events that will set your automation in motion. Click on Choose an Event for each application and select the appropriate events that match your workflow needs. This specifies what action you want to take place in Monday.com whenever a form is submitted in Jotform. The next steps involve connecting your Jotform and Monday.com accounts to Zapier. When you click on Connect Jotform, a window will prompt you to log into your Jotform account and authorize Zapier to access it. Similarly, clicking Connect Monday.com quote will ask for authorization to access your Monday.com account. This ensures a secure and seamless connection between your tools and Zapier. After granting access, you're set to tailor your Zap to your specific requirements. This involves matching Jotform fields to pertinent columns in Monday.com. It's like telling Zapier, hey, take this piece of information from Jotform and put it right here in Monday.com. This step ensures that your data flows smoothly from one platform to the other, making your workflow more efficient. Congratulations, you're on the verge of automating your tasks between Jotform and Monday.com. The final step is to name your Zap for easy identification and then turn it on. The moment you flip that switch, you activate a digital bridge between Jotform and Monday.com, through which your data will flow automatically according to your configured settings. Remember, this automation is not set in stone. The beauty of Zapier is its flexibility. You can always come back to tweak, turn off, or enhance your Zaps as your workflow evolves. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on connecting Jotform with Monday.com using Zapier. This integration not only streamlines your processes, but also unlocks new potentials for productivity and efficiency in your projects. Whether you're collecting feedback, managing event registrations, or any task that involves form submissions and project management, this integration has got you covered. The paths to digital efficiency are numerous and varied, but with guides like this, you're well equipped to explore them. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Automate wisely and see your productivity soar.